Just a quick demonstration of how to set up the Clevershade awning on the Patriot ST5. First step, unzip the bag. Front section lift off here, flip it over. And there's a couple of straps. There's one here, second one here, and then there's a third one here, little one around here. Let go. And this can come out and in the front. Ratchet strap. Hook this side onto the awning, around here, and walk it around slowly. We got it to this point here. And this hooks in here, into this little latch here. And you can, with your right hand you go on here, and your left hand you pull here, and you pull it tight until all the ripples on the awnings are gone. You've got nice tension all the way around it. If it does get really wet, you've got tie-down lids on each corner. You can take down so the water runs off. In light weather, the water probably runs off without them. Just have to see how it goes. Alright. The pack up is basically the reverse of it. Go onto this side. Give it a little bit of tension, and then that little lever at the top will let go. Okay. Put this back here. Grab the awning arm here, walk it around. Here. Make sure all triangles are coming down nicely without any crease marks. Roll it up to around this point here, wrap the top shackle out, and then you can sit this fabric on top of the arms so the backboard stays clear here, so it doesn't sit on the bag. And at the back arm here, you got a little tag for this little arm here, and that's basically to ensure the arm sits within the bag. So that's a little tag here. And then the last step is roll this section up, bring it around here, make sure it sits in nicely, flip the bag over it,